No yet.
Jamaica.
Brown bar.
Brown Boss Bay.
Welcome to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Yes, my people, so we're back at it again. Today I'm in the town of Anchovy St James, where I'll be going to the new Anchovy Police Station as requested by one of my subscribers. So I've been doing some research and I came upon a story on the Jamaica Information Service website, or JIS, back on March 28, 2022. It reads, "The community of Anchovy in St. James and its surroundings are soon to benefit from a new police station as ground was broken for the facility on Friday, March 25th, 2022 by Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security, Honorable Dr. Horace Chang. The two-story 5,300 square feet building is to be constructed under the ministry's Project Rebuild, Overhaul and Construction, which is PROC initiative, aimed at making police stations island-wide modern and citizen-friendly workspaces. The construction of the new Anchovy Police Station will be done in collaboration with the National Housing Trust, which is NHT, which is providing project financing and management at a cost of $200 million and will be executed over the next 2 years. Included in the scope of work is the construction of workstations and living quarters, a new sewage disposal system, the paving of driveways and parking lots, the erection of a boundary wall, installation of kitchen and laundry. Additionally, there are plans to include renewable energy as well as water harvesting facilities in the new structure that will be providing employment and training opportunities following its completion. In his address, Minister Chang stated that the construction of new police stations across the country is sending a strong message that the police force is transforming to meet the modern challenges of today. The implementation of PROC was from a 2019 research on the state of police stations throughout the island. Now, if you're from St. James, then you know that the Anchovy Police Station was temporarily relocated to the Anchovy Post Office building. As you can see right now, I'll show you up closer. But yes, it has been this way for a very long time. Even when I was going to school, I used to pass here and see the police station right at this location. Now, as you all know, train stop operations in Jamaica back in 1992. It's my very first time seeing the Anchovy railway station up this closely, and shockingly, it's in an immaculate condition.
Deep in my quiet vision, my ancestors' murmurs echoed along the path beneath my feet. The rivers beat upon my shoulders, mountains on all sides. The birds sing history's countless symphonies in all language, all keys. As I face the wind, yoked, traveling eastward.
I am now at the Anchovy Police Station that is under construction. and based on what I'm seeing here, should be ready sometime later this year. This was long in coming, but with the government forward thinking about making Jamaica safe, and in particular making the Anchovy Police Station safe, and building this new police station, it will offer broad and wider sense of security. And let me thank the government that I am a part of to construct this Anchovy Police Station, and I'm sure that the citizens of not only Anchovy but the areas in which this police station will serve will surely appreciate this police station and the service that they will offer to the community.
Not yet. The other update that I've gotten was from the Jamaica Observer on September 14, 2023, and it reads, the delay plagued $200 million Anchovy Police Station in St. James will be open within a year. The National Housing Trust, or NHT, has promised. According to National Security Minister Horace Chang, the one-year delay was caused by the magnitude of the project and the need to follow established procedures. The goal under Project ROC is to make the country's police station modern and citizen-friendly workspaces. The government is expected to spend more than $5 billion to improve conditions at 200 police stations across Jamaica. Based on the Instagram post back on October 25, 2024, it stated that the Anchovy Police Station was 89% completed. Yes, my people, so feast your eyes right now on the new two-story 5,300 square feet police station being built right now in Anchovy St James. Look at it. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see it up closer. But a really beautiful building, as you can see from this angle. Trust me guys, this has been delayed for some time now and it's long overdue. Let me know what you think about the overall progress in the comment section below. As I've indicated, back on October 2024, it was about 89% completed. Now we're in May 2025 and it's about 90% completed. All right, they have the driveway and parking area to be constructed right now. And yes, I'm going to show you some of the interior features shortly so that you can see the level of progress. Yes, my people, if you haven't subscribed as yet to my channel, now is the time to do so. Subscribe to my channel, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours, so that you can get more videos like these about new developments here in Jamaica. So at the time of recording this video, I was about 2 subscribers away from getting to that 5K mark. So I want to say a special thank you to all of my subscribers. I could not have done this without you. Thank you for getting us to this milestone. So here are the images of the interior sections here of the new police station right here in Anchovy St James. Have a look guys and let me know what you think about this progress.